is homeopathy, if you can explain briefly, and how does it relate to mental health?
Homeopathy is a unique system of medicine that treats patients holistically. Holistically means that for the treatment and management of, as a matter of fact, any disease, you have to consider mental state of the patient as well as his physical symptoms. Homeopathy believes that every disease, even if it is any physical disease, somewhere start from thinking.
Right.
So, homeopathy has a very close relation with mental health. In homeopathy, we believe that if we are able to address mental health in any patient, his all physical problems will also eventually disappear, will also be cured. So,
Right.
when we treat patient with homeopathic remedies, we consider that remedy that covers not only the physical problem, but mental state of the patient. And this is the reason you might have seen that whenever anybody goes to homeopathic doctor, he beside taking care of his physical symptoms, his physical you can say diagnosis, his investigations and all other things, whatever is required according to for the management of the case, he also takes interest in understanding the mental state of the patient.
Right.
What kind of mental state, how patient is responding, what patient is thinking about his physical condition, and what are his circumstances, his familial circumstances. All these things are taken into account. So, homeopathy per se treats a patient holistically, wherein mental health is a very, very important ingredient.
Right. Very rightly said.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.